Hi friends, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here and you've never seen my face before, hi, hello, my name is Joanne and I'm really glad that you're here. Okay, today's video is kind of a requested video, but not really. It's more of a challenge video, but also not really. Let me just get into the background story. A couple of weeks ago, I posted a massive makeup haul video, and in the haul, I talked about the Blue Bloods palette from Jeffree Star, and I talked about how I do not wear blues, but I do wear pinks and greens, so I'm sure I can come up with something. Stay tuned for that. And I feel like I wouldn't be very good at wearing blue eyeshadows or putting blue eyeshadows on. And then one of my sweethearts said this, which gave me a sense of false confidence. So in today's video, I am going to be trying my hand at the Jeffree Star Blue Bloods palette to make a full blue look. Yes, I am. Unfortunately, I am not the first one to dip into this. My daughter found it before I did, and she had a heyday. So I'm going to be dipping into some blue shadows today and see what look I can come up with. Thank you so much for the false confidence, my friend. I really appreciate it. And I hope you enjoy the blue look that I come up with using the Jeffree Star Blue Bloods palette. I'm going to start off, I did not prime my eyes. I want the look to seem like very natural and smoked out. I'm not really focusing on having a ton of pigment in this look, if that makes sense, only on the shimmer shades. So I'm going to start off with I'm Cold, which is the baby blue shade in this palette. If you watched that massive haul video, you will have heard me say that I have never purchased a Jeffree Star palette before. All of the Jeffree Star palettes that I currently own were gifted to me, and I have been enjoying to play with the formula. I've heard a lot about the Jeffree Star formula, but I was not willing to fork out that money. So I'm basically just going to be building up the color gradually. So I started off with the lightest blue shade in this palette. I'm going to deepen things up with the shade Blue Blood, which is a darker blue. That one's a little powdery, but I'm just going slightly lower than the baby blue shade was. I feel like blues just are not me. I'm much more of a green and red kind of gal. But I don't know if you've been following my channel recently, but I have been posting a lot of like orangey red shade, like red colors, orangey red looks. So I'm trying to mix it up a little bit. I'm trying to keep it blue and not green. I think in this palette particularly, it would be easy to go a green route, but I'm trying to keep it on the more true blue shades. So I feel like I'm going on Blue Monday for the outer corner. I'm feeling like things are starting to get a little patchy as I'm blending things out. I'm keeping an open mind. I don't know. I just don't get excited about blues, you know? It's just whenever I see a blue palette, I don't get excited like I do when I see a red palette. Things aren't blending together very well. Getting a little patchy. On the inner corner, I'm going in with Cullinan. Anyway, it's the shimmery pearl shade right here in the corner. Bring that on the inner portion of my eye. On the very center of my eye, I'm going in with the Icy Tray shade. The shimmers are beautiful. I love them. Again, I'm going in with the deep blue shade that we used on the outer corner just to kind of bring in some more depth. It is a pretty shade though. It actually comes across as a little purple. I like it. It's just you really have to build it up. Like you have to really sit here and dab, dab, dab. Okay, I'm going to finish the rest of my face and I will be right back for the lower lash line. Okay, I'm back and we are going to finish the lower lash line and finish up the eyes. On the lower inner, I'm taking Blue Blood. And I'm going to deepen things up on the same brush. I'm not going to use another brush with Blue Monday, the darker shade. I'm going to smoke out the lower lash line. Thus far, I don't like this blue palette. I don't know, it's not very easy to work with. And this dark blue shade I'm adding on the outer part is so patchy. I'm using my softest, fluffiest brushes and I don't know, I can't make the pigment look good. The shimmers are fantastic though. Okay, and this is my completed blue look using the Jeffree Star Blue Blood palette. Mascara helped and the shimmers are beautiful, but I would have to play with this palette a little bit more. I don't know. I'm not a huge fan. Maybe I just don't like blue looks on me. I can't really tell. Let me know what you think. I don't know. I'm indifferent to it. I don't feel great right now. Anyway, that is going to be it for today's video. I really hope you enjoyed it. Please give me 2 big thumbs up if you did. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below if you'd like to see more videos from me. And I will see you all in the next one. Bye!